How to find bold glamour filter on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the super popular bold glamour filter on Instagram. It's quick and easy and it will have you looking fabulous in seconds. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing first, open up your Instagram app and make sure that your account is logged in. Once you have opened the Instagram app, simply tap on the plus icon at the bottom center. And here on the Reels, you can see the effect option at the left part of your screen. You need to simply tap on it and it will open the effects gallery. Once you are in the effects gallery, tap on the search bar at the top and type bold glamour. This will bring up the list of filters created by the Instagram users. Now scroll through the results and look for the one that catches your eye. Simply tap on it and that's it. Now you could use these filters for your selfie videos, reels, and stories, and so on. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.